mamas. We have 5 boys and 1 girl. One of the buff and whites is a girl. Hi, Mama. Mama lets me pet her. Yeah. Oh, sweet Mama. She's scared, but sweet. Yeah. Yeah. Look at all the babies. We got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I don't know what to name them yet. Huh, Mama? You're so pretty. You're such a pretty girl. She's got mats. She's all matted. But she's such a sweetheart. Yeah. Aw, you give me kisses. Oh, what a sweet girl. You got food over there, Mamas. Yeah, and once I get my other fosters out, there's one in that tunnel, then you can have the whole room. Yeah. Oh, sweet babies. These guys are probably right around 2 weeks. They're starting to wobble bobble. Yeah.